Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Firdaus Sahil. In this video with Affinity, we are going to learn how to find document setup or what you can change with document setup. So when you get the move tool, you can click right here for document setup, or you can click on document. With the setup, you can click on document setup, or you can use the shortcut Ctrl+Shift+P. Let's click at that. So what actually you can change with document setup? Under document, you can change document units from this list, DPI, actual size, zoom. With dimensions, you can change show dimension of a spread or page preset, and the width, the height. And under model, you can change facing pages, arrange. With color, you can change color format, color profile, and also transparent background. With resources, there's much more options available with margins, bleed, and drawing scale. Let's select this iPhone X and click on OK. So this is how we can use document setup with Affinity. So hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and learned, and if you have any question, please let me know in the comment box of this video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to the channel. Take care and goodbye.